I believe it's March 5th. The sun is much lower on the patio now, hooray. Got melting. So gee, in a month I should have sun all the way to the south side of the gate here. March 6th. Yesterday everything was melting. And now we're forecasted a blizzard, so we'll see what that means. We're kind of on the edge of it here. It's supposed to be like another 2 weeks, according to the Weather Channel, of some fairly cold weather, so I don't do well with the cold at all. It's blowing. I don't know if you can hear it or even see it, but it is blowing and snowing and yeah, yuck. The sun is trying to poke through, but it's just not happening. Listen to that wind. And we didn't even get the worst of the snow. This is pretty much just on the edge of it. We're just on the edge of the storm, so I can only imagine you poor people who are smack dab in the middle of this. I've seen worse. See, my bottom step is unseeable. You can see just from the blowing snow, it's not snowing much, but even our tracks from earlier have all been blown in. It is just really, really unpleasant, stormy. Thank God it isn't snowing like crazy, because we would have one heck of a blizzard. Looking across from my house, pretty much anywhere where there's snow gathered on the roof, you can hardly even tell the difference from the sky to the roof. You can't even see where that line is. And I'm getting really cold, so we're going to come in. Come on, Bill.